Probably better off more towards that way than this way. That dumb tree is kind of in your way.
Yeah, there was a tree on our way over there too.
No. Hey, for whatever it's worth, if you can remember, next month, the 28th, which is my birthday, they're doing the boat club fireworks for Christmas. Yeah. So I think that's the right day. You should call though, just in case if I'm screwed up.
Yeah, we go to that one too. Oh, this is not my church.
Come on, shoot them up higher than the tree. Usually you do.
Are they pretty?
Welcome to the tree in the way vision.
I think next year I'm going to try it in the path parking lot.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Finally, one made it over the tree. Oh, don't give me blur camera now. Yeah, that figures. Alright, well. Yeah. See if I can zoom in a little bit better. There we go. That kind of sort of does something. Whoops. Some shaky cam here. Yay. Yeah, for those of you paying attention to me talking to whoever's over here. I believe my birthday over by the Connecticut River, Unity Park, Turner's Falls, that would be August the 28th. I do believe they're doing Christmas in July that particular day. They usually do them on the last Saturday, but last Saturday in July, but because of the stupid ick bug, everything got moved. According to the guy I talked to, they were like, oh, this is going to be the last time they're doing them in August. Well, we'll find out. Whoops. There we go. Nice. A happy Canada Day or early 4th of July. Everybody watching.
Last year to come back with a chainsaw and cut them down. Trees are growing a lot.
Yeah, I was telling your daughter, I think, although I could be wrong, the 28th the next month, which is my birthday, they're doing the Christmas in July ones.
Oh, really?
I think. You may want to call them, though, just in case it's I messed up. Thanks. In a way, it's nice that they're doing it like that, but, Uh-oh. Alright, we got some blur camera issue here. Hang on, sorry. See if that fixes it. Yeah, a little. Alright. Part something coming next.